Hey y'all, welcome back to Hashtag Fabulous, and I'm your girl AJ, and today I want to talk about, I have notes, I want to talk about self-love and what you can do to practice self-love and have more self-love and self-confidence and self-esteem and just a better sense of self as a woman, as a black woman in today's colorist, racist, misogynistic society. Us women have to do whatever we can to make ourselves feel as good as possible and look as fabulous as possible. So I just wrote down a few notes. This is going to be kind of an unedited video. Like I said, my videos are going to be unedited for a while, so I'm going to try to keep them short and concise as I can. Stick to the topics at hand. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. The first thing I have on my notes for practicing self-love is to bathe. And I'm not talking about bathe like just take a shower. Yes, you should take showers. Definitely take showers, especially like before you bathe. Like take baths. I'm talking about like taking baths. And not just regular baths. You can take like detox baths. I take detox baths. And detox baths are like what I put like Epsom salt in there, like some baking soda and some ACV, apple cider vinegar, and I just like sit there. Mind you, I shower first and then I clean my bathtub and then I do my detox bath because I just have a germ thing. Shout out to my stylist for my fabulous faux locks. Her name on Instagram is _LOCS locks by BY Ash, ASH, locks by Ash, at _locks by Ash. That's my stylist Instagram. Shout out to you, girl. I love them because they are fabulous. But yes, not just shower, but like take a bath. Take a bath, relax, sit down, chill, get some wine. Make sure you get some water, a lot of cold water if you're planning on taking a bath for longer than 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you have everything that you need. Light a candle, get some music going. Make sure you have everything that you need to relax and just digest everything that happened in your day. Or if you want to take a bath before you even start your day, which I also highly recommend, taking a bath like in order to like start your day. You start off your entire day relaxed and like take a really good bath. I like to put actual rose petals in mine sometimes, and like some peppermint oil in mine, or some lavender oil in mine. Either one, whatever it is that you choose, go ahead and do it. I do suggest taking actual baths. Relax. Give yourself some me time. Give yourself some me time. Give your skin some extra time to moisturize. Baths help make your skin softer and a bit more supple and more feminine. You know what I'm saying? Femininity is the ultimate goal. It is the goal. Okay? Even if you're a feminist, you can be a feminist and use your femininity to your advantage. Femininity. Y'all know what I mean. So the next thing I have is be active. And I'm not talking about just exercising. Whenever people say, oh, you have to be active, people are just like thinking, oh, well, she's telling me that I have to exercise. She's telling me that I should go to the gym and blah, blah, blah. And I don't exercise because nobody tells me what to do with my body positivity and blah, blah, blah. Look, girl, you will feel better once you look better, especially to yourself, without clothes on. And that's the thing, ladies. Like, remember, like, work out really to look good naked. If you want to look good naked, like, without, extra rolls falling over and extra lumps spilling over, be active. Get moving, go on walks more often. Take walks instead of taking a cab, get a couple of salads. Well, that's more like diet and nutrition, but be active. Get up and move. Get up and move. Dance. Dance to your favorite song like 5 times in a row. real hard and you'll be sweating, and that'll be a good workout. You know what I'm saying? It just helps you feel better, boosts your confidence. It does. It boosts your confidence. It's like does something with your chemicals in the brain, science. Something I'm not good at, but be active, get active. I feel like that's a form of self-love because you're taking care of yourself. You're taking care of your body. You only get one body, and you might as well just actually actively take care of it, not like Instagram model take care of it either. Now, I'm not talking about surgeries and stuff like that. No. I'm talking about actually getting up and making sure that you're active. Get moving. Making sure that your joints don't hurt when you stand. Just saying, ladies. Especially my black ladies. Like, black girls. Being overweight, black girls, being overweight is not cute. Being obese is not cute, okay? Just because we're black is not synonymous with unhealthy. Black is not synonymous with obese. Black is not synonymous with bad eating choices. Black is not synonymous with any of those things. So, like, black women, we need to get out of this, snap out of this. Like, yeah, being thick or whatever, you know, thick in the butt and maybe thick in the thighs. You can do squats for both of those. You know, you don't have to like gain all this weight in order to be thick. No. Because trust me, once people are tired of seeing balloons on people's chests and butts, like all these white girls pretty much that have plastic surgery, like all the Kardashians that have surgery, they are a great example. They look like ants. Once everybody is tired of the ant body and wants to go back to slim, because I do feel like slim is coming back. I feel like people are going to go back to slim is in. So once people go back to that, then what? You know what I'm saying? So black girls, take care of yourself. Get moving, get active. Go to the gym. Go for a walk. Don't eat McDonald's. And I know it's hard if you live in a food desert. A food desert, food desert is pretty much where they put horrible, nothing but fast food and liquor stores in the hood. Pretty much, that's what a food desert is. As opposed to in the suburb, they have like actual sit-down restaurants and Whole Foods and Mariano's and a super center Walmart and all that stuff. Like, they have all of that out in the suburbs, whereas in the hood, there's food deserts. But yeah, moving on, the next thing I would say in order to help improve self-love is to take selfies. And that sounds vain, you know, you may like, girl, like, I gotta take pictures of. No, like, take pictures of yourself, like, take pictures of yourself also without makeup. You know, if you're the type of girl to wear makeup every day, start taking more pictures of yourself without makeup, getting used to how you look fresh-faced. You know, get used to how your natural beauty is. You know, get comfortable in your own natural skin. I say that as I'm wearing makeup, but you guys see plenty of videos without me wearing makeup, you know? So I say definitely take more selfies and get comfortable with how you look. Get comfortable with how you look. Get comfortable with how you look and start complimenting yourself. Start complimenting yourself. Start saying, oh, I have great cheekbones. Start saying, oh, I have beautiful lips. You know, like, start complimenting yourself on things when you take your selfies. It'll boost your confidence, and then, you know, you won't be looking for attention from everybody else because you'll have those affirmations within yourself already. So yes, ladies. And another tip, my next tip, would be to be selfless. Lend help. Lend help and give good advice. Okay? Lend help or give good advice or volunteer. Doing something selfless will really help you feel good. Trust me, I volunteered, I've given back to the homeless plenty of times, and I still do. And it feels great to be able to be in a position in life, or just be in a position, period, to help somebody else who's not in the same position, to bring somebody else up. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know when that same karma, that same energy, those same blessings that you've given to somebody else will be returned back to you. Everything good, I believe that everything good that you have given out into the world, or a person has given out into the world, does eventually come back to them. I'm a believer of that. So I feel as if you volunteer, you give somebody good advice. Good advice. Don't send nobody off. Okay, don't give nobody no terrible advice. Don't no. Don't no. Give good practical advice and lend a helping hand. You see somebody struggling to like pick something up, help them pick it up. You see an old person struggling with something because old personness, help them. You know what I'm saying? Just lend a helping hand. Give change to some of the homeless sometimes. I know people are funny about giving change to the homeless because of the stigma that homeless people have, but you never know people's story. You never know who is an angel and who isn't, and you never know. So it's best to like lend a helping hand, help those that need help. Why not? Like, you want somebody to help you when you need help. So help others. Next thing on my list is to take yourself out. Take yourself on a date. Take yourself on a date, honey. Buy yourself that dress. Buy yourself those shoes. Buy yourself that makeup palette, honey. Get your hair done. Get your nail done. Get everything done. Because you fancy, huh? You fancy, honey. Yes. Be fancy. Take yourself out. Don't depend on somebody else. How can I say this? Don't depend on somebody else for company. Be your own company. If you're not used to being by yourself, and if you're not used to doing things by yourself, and if you're not used to keeping yourself company and keeping yourself good company, then of course you'll feel very self-conscious about eating anywhere by yourself, even if it's at McDonald's. But you have to get comfortable. The more comfortable that you are with going out and looking nice just for no reason, which goes back to, what did I say? Taking care of yourself? No, it goes back to selfies and all that stuff and bathing and all that stuff. You want to look nice. Even if you want to look nice for no reason, do it. Look nice for no reason and then go out. Take yourself out. You don't have to wait on your friends. You don't have to wait on your man. You don't have to wait on your mom. You don't have to wait on your baby daddy. You don't have to wait on your husband. You don't have to wait, you know what I'm saying, or your cousins. You don't have to wait on nobody. If you want to go out, if you want to do something, then do it. As long as it's safe. I'm not suggesting that you go and travel cross country by yourself. That's a bit much, unless you're the type of person who do that, because women do that. Unless you're the type of woman, but I'm not. So, yes, that's a great point. Be good to yourself. Feed your soul. You know what I'm saying? If it doesn't feed you, then don't water it. If it doesn't feed you, then don't water it. Exactly, class. Exactly. Very good, everybody. If it does not feed you, do not water it. And therefore, it will not grow. It will not grow. And that goes for everything. Drink water. And I know this is like, everybody says drink water. Everybody does say drink water. Because drinking water is important. Drinking water helps you to mind your own business, okay? Drinking water helps you to clear your skin. And also, while you're drinking water, on the same topic, invest in your skincare. You know what I'm saying? Stop going to Family Dollar or the dollar store just for regular Dove soap. Dove soap is not made for the face, ladies. Dove soap is not made for the face, my black girls. Go to Walgreens, okay? Go to CVS. Go to their skincare aisle. Invest in some like Garnier. Learn what kind of skin that you have. Do you have oily skin? Do you have dry skin? Okay? If you have oily skin, you want something that's, more alcohol based. Something that'll not give you so much moisture. But if you have dry skin, you want something like oily based, obviously, something that will give you moisture, or lotion based. Or, with something with aloe vera gel, something that will give you a lot more moisture. And if you're a combination, then you might have to try a combination of things. You might have to do, you will have to, not might, but you will have to be more selective in what you use for your face if you have combination skin. And they do have products just for combination skin, just like they do with oily and dry. So it shouldn't be that hard, but please stop using regular body soap for your face. My black girls, it is not cute. It breaks you out. I don't like it. You shouldn't like it either. Clear and smooth skin will boost your confidence. Trust me, it'll boost your confidence. It really will. And next, I have Eat More Fruits because it clears your skin. It clears your skin and it tastes good and it's sweet, especially if you're like me and you love sweet crap and you want to eat sweet all the time. Sweet. Eating fruit is a great way to replace that artificial sugar. Eating fruit is a great way to replace that artificial sugar. It clears up your skin and it makes you taste and smell better. You know what I mean, ladies? So, yes, especially pineapples. Pineapples are great for the vag. Yes, they are. And yogurt is too. Yogurt is actually fabulous. Greek yogurt with the live cultures is great for the vagina. Not like inserting it, but like eating it. I'm eating like food. And my last tip is to, nothing. I already said it. Take more pictures. Take more pictures of yourself. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I finally got around to doing it. My life is so busy. I'm in like school full time for this summer, and there's, summer is like 16 weeks packed into 8. So yeah, it's a lot, everyone. But I'm getting through it. I'm getting through it. I just came back from my boutique photo shoot, my first one at least. I'm having 2 for the moment. But yes, I just got back from my boutique photo shoot, and now I'm going to do homework and upload this video. And I will see you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe and share and comment down below. What other self-care tips do you guys have? What do you guys think about mine? Am I missing anything? If I am, put it down below. Let's start a dialogue, y'all. Thank you all for joining me, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay fabulous. Bye, y'all.